How to add debit card to Acorns. Acorns is a financial services company that offers an app and banking services to help users save and invest money. To add a debit card to your Acorns account, follow these steps. Open the Acorns app and sign in. Tap on the profile icon or your initials in the upper corner. Select Profile and Setting option. Click on the section for linked bank accounts. Then tap on Add Debit Card or Link a Card. Enter your debit card details, card number, expiration date, CVV, etc. The app may require you to verify the card by confirming a small transaction. Confirm and save the card details. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Acorns support through their app or website for assistance. Acorns offers 3 paid subscription plans with a range of features. Thanks for watching.